Hello people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I will teach you how to do corset loops very easy like this. So let's get started. Being so missy the way, but was very busy. I made a lot of gown dresses. Yes, and now I'm doing this short tutorial to teach you how to easily make loops, corset loops. It's very good to save money and save time with zippers. So yeah, let's get started. Look how beautiful it is.
The first thing that you should do is buy some bio tapes from your online or material shop. Remember that the color needs to match your garment to look professional, to look good, to look crispy. The next step is fold the bias tape and do a straight stitch. You go to your machine and you do a straight stitch. Yes, you should have something like this, quite similar. Yeah. Yes, after sewing you have something like this. You measure the length. I use 5 or 6 centimeters after I fold it and I place on the garment. Yes, will look like this, the final result. You just need after to place a straight stitch. Here we have the final result. So I really like this. It's very cute. You can see.
Like this kind of content, I prepared this with a lot of love. Help me to grow and share my knowledge here, and other people, they want to get in sewing, they want to learn, so help to grow this channel. And yes, thank you so much.